way the mid-cap index is moving up and away. It's now a 0.7% gain on the mid-cap index. It's at the day's high. And even the advanced decline ratio, the gap between the two, is narrowing very rapidly as we speak. Thank you very much, Hemang, for joining in. We are wrapping up the day's trading action and also for the week. And it's ending Friday on a positive note ahead of the exit poll verdict. But through the week, the markets have been very, very nervous. For the week, we've lost more than 1% on the benchmark indices. But as I said, on Friday, we managed to bounce back from the early lows and close up around the 22,515 mark, defending that 20-day moving average. Mid-caps outperformed on Friday, but for the week, there was caution which prevailed, and the mid-cap index was down close to about 1.2% for the entire week. The big gainers include the Adani Group stocks, a special mention to Adani Enterprises, ports, and outside of that, banks. So ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, or even an HDFC Bank, relative outperformance coming through on the banks.
Absolutely. I mean, for the week as well, real estate, metal, all of these stocks have pulled up. But if you were, looking at the tally, for the day that is, but if you're looking at the tally for the week, then the week started with a lot of weakness on the PSU names. Some recovery towards the end of it. Let's quickly talk about the movers and shakers then. The bell has gone. On the mid-cap side of the market, the result casualties include a Welspun Corp down 9%, Apcar down 8%. We saw some late selling in Tube Investments, very sharp selling, 3.5% lower there as well. On the upside, a lot of the MSCI inclusions, either in the standard index or in the small cap index, lots of stocks bouncing around. So Sundaram Finance, for instance, was up and about. There were moves on Suzlon Energy, which is also getting added into one of those indices. The Thermax was the other one, up about 2%. The entire Adani Group was active, not just in the large cap Nifty Adani stocks, but even the other names. Look at Adani Power, Adani Total Gas, 8-9% on some of these names. Blue Star, you heard from the management earlier in the morning as well, sounding quite optimistic on sizzling summer season AC sales. That stock has ended with a gain of about 6-odd%. So all in all, not a bad session. Should mention here that the VIX has spiked in a significant way this week as well. The India VIX up almost 14% as the intense sort of speculation and the nerves peak out as we get into the final stage of the results. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you very much for watching. But don't go anywhere. All the action continues. Up next is Editor's Roundtable.